go that way. Oh, wrong way. No. That way. Wrong way! What are you doing?
With Triple J News. Low and middle income Australians are set to receive one-off payments to compensate.
Follow me with your dreams. Reach for the stars. Oh, come fly with me. Follow me with your dreams.
Creating better.
Starting their climb up into the mountains. Daylight had brought increasing clouds, and a huge storm system was coming in off the water like an armada, ready to do some serious business. The mists and fogs were already making their ascent treacherous. They had stopped at the office, where Dash had picked up something that he said would probably be necessary. When Archer saw it, he couldn't disagree with the man's logic.
The fuck
Why
are you
would the president
doing?
know those sorts of details? Asked Archer. He's really a Hollywood screenwriter masquerading as a records clerk, at least in his own mind. Changing gears, Dash said, "So the cliffs, Armstrong's little retreat high up in the mountains. A man might just go up there and have an accident. But if he kills Kemper, surely the jig is up for him."
You fucking stupid!
This is all about. It's hard to believe there are morons in this land who need a condescending ad to make them understand how to drive the vehicles on the roundabout. It should be just a free-for-all and let them work it out. Okay, start your engines. Terrible.
Oh, yeah, righto. Cut the fucking corner, idiot.
I think you're an asshole.
Point to the charger is after the inverter with it. Oh, the guy just jumped in.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Finish. So Carlton could come into the change room at half time, and if they're down on the scoreboard with that live ladder, they could be in ninth position, knowing, geez, we now have to lift our game in the second half.
It's one fucking way.
And if you think of how well Carlton started the first half of the season, it would be, well, a massive surprise to see them miss out. But I think, yeah, there are probably...
It's one way.
Geelong really seems to be the outright favourites now. Sydney has come home really well.
It's one way.
This week, so I thought the way they beat Collingwood on Sunday was quite impressive as well. So I think Geelong, Sydney and Melbourne for me are probably the three best teams. Yeah. And then on that next line of betting, I'll probably have Brisbane, Collingwood and Fremantle. And with Richmond, you just never know, because they've still got enough star players there, enough premiership players there, enough players who know how to get it down at the pointy end of the season. And I think when it sneaks into that last final spot, whether it be...
You do know what one way means, don't you? What? Don't drive in the wrong way. Yeah, and you too.
Because a big defeat could consign them to the wooden spoon.
Did he hit us?
God, fucking mirror. Are you fucking joking?
Your expert team can help you choose the perfect piece from their collection of tailored and handcrafted jewelry, or have something custom made for an extra special touch. Give yourself a win with Pettit's Jewelers Warragul, your diamond destination.
For McDonald's Gippsland stores. This is Ed for Breakfast on Gippsland's Triple M.
11 minutes away from 8, and we'll be down at Sutton Street Milk Bar giving away free coffees at 9:30. Hopefully,
Fucking cockhead.
Freak was that?
What the hell was that?
You don't need to go into the fucking lane, dum-dum.
Oh, L-plate, we know. Whoop. Nobody beside him. Whoop, whoop.
Manual recording will now start.
Whoop, whoop. Oh, you're gone.
shit!
What's your problem, cunts? Can't fucking stop there. Fucking idiots.